traveling, place your Willo BrushBot in travel mode to conserve battery. This will prevent it from unintentionally turning on in your bag. To enter travel mode, wake your handle. Press and hold both buttons for 3 seconds until the lights begin rotating, confirming it's in travel mode. Then, remove the brush head and lip rest and attach the travel cap. To exit travel mode, wake the handle by pressing any button. While the lights rotate, press and hold both buttons for 3 seconds. The handle will exit travel mode. Remove the travel cap, attach the lip rest and brush head, and your Willo will be ready to use.